Pell City homeowners experience a wide range of seasonal conditions throughout the year. Hot, humid summers, cooler winter temperatures, spring rainstorms, and fall temperature swings all place stress on a home's windows. Double-hung windows are a popular choice for their classic style and ventilation flexibility, but like any window type, they need proper weatherproofing to perform at their best year-round. With a few proactive steps, homeowners can protect their double-hung windows, maintain comfort, and reduce energy loss during Pell City's changing seasons. Inspect weather stripping regularly. Weather stripping plays a critical role in keeping outdoor air and moisture out of your home. Over time, heat, humidity, and sun exposure can cause weather stripping to dry out, crack, or compress. To stay protected, check weather stripping at least twice a year. Look for gaps, brittleness, or flattened areas to replace damaged sections promptly. Ensure sashes close snugly against the seals. Well-maintained weather stripping helps prevent drafts in winter and blocks hot, humid air in summer. Seal gaps with quality caulking. Even small gaps around window frames can allow water, air, and pests to enter. Seasonal temperature changes in Pell City can cause materials to expand and contract, opening up tiny cracks over time. Weatherproofing tips include: inspect exterior caulking annually. Look for peeling, cracking, or separation. Use high-quality exterior caulk designed for temperature fluctuations. Seal gaps around the frame and trim. Proper caulking helps protect against rainstorms and improves energy efficiency. Keep window tracks clean and debris-free. Double-hung windows rely on smooth tracks to operate correctly and seal tightly. Dirt, pollen, and debris, common during Pell City's spring and summer months, can build up and interfere with proper closure. Maintenance steps: vacuum window tracks regularly. Wipe tracks with a damp cloth. Remove dirt that prevents full sash closure. Avoid harsh cleaners that damage finishes. Clean tracks ensure windows close fully, strengthening their weather resistance. Check locks and hardware for tight seals. Locks on double-hung windows do more than provide security. They pull the sashes tightly together to improve sealing. Loose or damaged locks can prevent proper compression. Homeowners should ensure locks engage fully. Tighten loose hardware. Replace worn or broken locks. Test that the upper and lower sashes meet evenly. Secure hardware improves both safety and weatherproofing performance. Use window insulation during extreme weather. During particularly hot summers or cooler winter periods, temporary insulation solutions can provide extra protection. Helpful options include insulated window curtains, cellular shades for added thermal resistance, seasonal window film for heat control, draft blockers for older windows. These solutions reduce heat transfer and enhance comfort during temperature extremes. Monitor for moisture and condensation. Pell City's humidity can lead to condensation on or around windows, especially during temperature changes. While some condensation is normal, excessive moisture may indicate air leaks or seal issues. Watch for persistent condensation between panes. Moisture on window frames. Signs of water staining. Addressing moisture issues early helps prevent mold growth and long-term damage. Schedule professional inspections when needed. If double-hung windows show signs of wear, difficulty operating, or frequent drafts, a professional inspection can identify underlying issues. A professional can assess seal integrity, recommend weatherproofing upgrades, adjust or repair sashes, identify when replacement may be more cost-effective. Expert guidance ensures long-term protection. Consider energy-efficient upgrades over time. Modern double-hung windows with insulated glass, low-E coatings, and improved frame designs offer better weather resistance than older models. Upgrading over time can improve comfort year-round, reduce energy bills, minimize seasonal maintenance, increase home value, protect comfort through every Pell City season. Weatherproofing double-hung windows is an important step in maintaining a comfortable, efficient home in Pell City. By inspecting seals, sealing gaps, keeping tracks clean, and addressing small issues early, homeowners can protect their windows from seasonal wear and tear. With the right care and attention, double-hung windows will continue to perform reliably, keeping your home comfortable, dry, and energy efficient through every season.